Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Fracture of clavicle. Gustillo Anderson classification of open fractures. According to Gustillo Anderson classification of open fractures, level 1 or 1 is puncture wounds of less than 1 centimeter in length, 1 centimeter in length, and they are clean. Whereas in stage 2, these are low energy or low medium energy fractures which have a length of around 1 to 10 centimeters of length and they have soft tissue damage is present. Whereas in 3A, the wound is more than 10 centimeters. It can be a comminutive fracture, that is, a fracture with multiple fragments, and there is adequate periosteal coverage is present in stage 2A. In stage 2B, there is soft tissue destruction is present. Along with that, the wound is more than 10 centimeters in size with periosteal stripping is present. Whereas in stage 3C, there is neurovascular injury can be seen in stage 3C.
thank you and thank you for watching.